how to play YouTube music in the background or a lock screen on your Samsung One UI 7 or any other Samsung device. In the latest Samsung devices, you can easily play music in the background or lock screen or a navbar. So in this video, I will show you how to play music on the background. So first of all, you need to open the internet browser Samsung's. Open the Samsung folder on your device. Here you can find the internet browser. So tap on it. Make sure open internet browser on your device to use this feature. Tap on the three horizontal line at the bottom right corner. Now here you can find the option ad blockers. That will helpful to block the ad on your device. So download it. Ad block for Samsung internet on your device. When you complete the process, make sure toggle on the option ad block for Samsung internet. Now go back. Again tap on a three horizontal line. Tap on a settings. Now scroll down and you can find the option useful features on your Samsung device. Tap on it. Now here you can see the video section. Tap on a background play. Here by default select the off option. So make sure select the on. Keep playing video sound after you leave a tab or a Samsung internet. Some websites don't support background play. So make sure set the on option. Now go back. In the same internet browser, search for the any music or open the YouTube on your device. Due to copyright issue, we mute the sound on my device first of all. Now play the any music or song like here we play this on my phone. Now when we lock my phone and unlock it, you can see the music on the navbar. Tap on it to see the music on navbar on your latest Samsung One UI 7, Samsung S25 Ultra or any other Samsung device. So you can just tap on it, unlock it, and you can also find it on the status bar. Just tap on it to show the music play on your status bar also. Also lock your phone to show music on the navbar. Just tap on it and you can find the music on the navbar also. So this is quite easy to play YouTube music in the background or a lock screen on your Samsung device. Also apply to always on display. Just lock your phone, tap on screen, and you can see the music information on the always on display. Double tap it to stop or double tap it to play again on the always on display. That's it. Like it, share it.